Who did that? And you want to come blood clot going like you ungrateful, dirty thinking girl. Hey, dirty stinking girl, and me boss you. Me boss up and yes up. And me boss you. You's an ungrateful, dirty thinking, dirty girl. I mean, no. You's an ungrateful, dirty thinking, dirty, nasty, sodomite girl. You's a stinking, dirty, blood clot sodomite. You know, I'm me wrong. You know, so I'm me wrong for true. Because I see a child bring me with blood clot doctor, man, and I still got blood clot friend. Because I blood clot good in my heart to me half people. You know, so that teeth and mess me up for true. That keep on a blood clot mess me up for blood clot true, you know. Because I see a blood clot bring me down. Look how you make me a slime the blood clot good. Look how you make me, oh, why you're so lonely. Shay, what did you ever bring to my life? Shay, what did you buy me? You buy me a cologne. And to wear you tan darling, me buy you back something. Because I couldn't make you have no file for me. So I always 10 steps ahead. Remember some buy you the slippers them too. 5 slippers. Remember some make you make money on TikTok. Remember some buy you the TV. Remember some fix Queenie on. When your blood clot drive go every hospital, you can't find blood clot Queenie. And you call me and say, Jayden, me say mama check every blood clot hospital. Because nobody now go eat Queenie front like you. And everybody blood clot brave like blood clot Queenie. You want Queenie deserve today now one blood clot salon. Because 200 blood clot same thing. No mind sharp, no bad man, you know what a blood clot neither. Me buy plane ticket. Remember when you come blood clot Jamaica, you could buy off your blood clot son. Maybe you could book blood clot Airbnb. And the Airbnb where you going your blood clot, you think I'm mine, but me still make you pay blood clot money, girl. You never know say a blood clot man because my manager put something in place if we were blood clot, whatever. And my blood clot Airbnb every day and I sleep. You never blood clot know that because I don't tell you what you know. Me tell you what you want to know. Because I'm always 10 steps of blood clot ahead of you. Because me can't see you bring me blood clot done. I'm gonna get back upon you. I am a man that will wait 1 year. So don't come try and make it look like say I'm me and the pussy. Because me the blood clot real to you. Me too smart. You're not going to news story stinking dirty old girl. You're not going to blood clot news story. You feel like a blood clot Swiss ladies. Me darker than Swiss lady. If Swiss lady not run sound, me a go answer blood clot uno. If Swiss not go answer uno, me a go blood clot answer uno. Your blood clot crash my blood clot car when you come blood clot Jamaica. You look up in my next blood clot BMW back with the Mark X. When me give you, if you go blood clot Ochi, if you travel at Jamaica anywhere you want to go. Stinking dirty girl, did pay for that? Did you blood clot pay for that? No, me have to lift up blood clot 400,000 from out of my blood clot bank account, come blood clot give you. And then after that, me throw out of my blood clot house and say, Mama go away. And then you go on blood clot TikTok live. You go on blood clot TikTok live and get local food. And then you go blood clot rent 1 car for you and blood clot Daima. Then you and Daima start chat blood clot Akim and blood clot figure it out. One time I tell me say blood clot, you got the blood clot station. And your blood clot is Akim at the blood clot station. And here I know, me get blood clot afraid. Me say, Mama, we afraid of? Me say, oh, you feel roll with Diamond, blood clot and Roger good, figure it out good. And me not understand that. Also come me put 1 and 2 to 2. And they make 5. I'm a blood clot, I'll be blood clot maths. When me add up in maths was a maths because 1 and 2 on a blood clot 5. 1 and 2 are 3. So when the maths never did add up me and say blood clot, that girl I feel like she can't catch me. That girl I feel like she can't blood clot catch me. Lord God. Let's hear what she's saying.
Screenshot. Oh, me can't send it on TikTok. TikTok can't send screenshot, no.
You're not telling us your receipt.
Text me, boy. I'll keep them put 2 million per your head. I'm going to pay 1 million, 2 million for reverse it. The same boy liar, see? The same boy liar. Me there Jamaica, me say.
I don't think got 3 million.
What you mean, boss it? I'm going to go feed.
Boss it.
What you mean?
Boss up everything.
Me not get up and tell lie and people and make up story.
Shay, remember say come to me. And tell me say, Akeem, I pray me because me this Rosalie. Tell you my blood clot this Rosalie for you. Are you my blood clot this Rosalie? Me never want this blood clot Rosalie and you. It hot. So all the day me the live, you're the on me live, and watch me. You know, so watch me, so you can't, it's success that bother you. But wait until me got the blood clot party and me keep up, wait. Me keep up share and keeping my party September the 12th. You're damn invited, and I promise to God, I won't do you nothing. You're invited. I want you to come.
Come on, the boy, them picture of my phone with Akeem and the middle, you know. You want to go down that road there?
Go down the road.
You want to go down the road there, Jennifer? You show me the boy them. You want to
go down the road? Go down the road!
We don't have no problem, you know.
Go down the road!
No problem to go down the road.
Boring. You're lying and boring. Shay, you're boring. Shay, you're boring, Shay. Tell Jabba to add me. Shay, you're boring. DJ Sardine, you're boring. DJ Sardine, you're boring. DJ Sardine, I saw I new name that. I mean, tell you, anytime I get somebody one name now, go come after them.
Oh God, Sardine raw. The sister, hey sister, would proud of you. Defend yourself.
DJ Sardine. You're not clock nutty because I hear somebody that touch Batman from up here and Ochi. Where them there? I think I go come out strong.
Oh God. I will tell him don't, not tell him don't this time. Defend a bomb class yourself. You take too much set. You take so much set.
Oh, you're not clock Rosalie, go on our live then. How did on our live? Go on our live. Let me hear what she say.
Roger, quick.
Roger, go on the live. Can't not in and clock.
A be a piece of clock. And syrup.
Jayden, she blocked me.
You're not a fake page.
Wait, me have one, hold on.
Fake page.
Him have a problem. Him have to smoke. If him can't get the craving here, you have to find it.
So what? What is wrong with that?
Unless you all steer down.
So what wrong with that? If me not no weed, my mother.
Everybody be asking under the blood clot. Watch me, you.
Go for where you want go for. You know not here what you said, darling.
Hold on. A Peter
Yeah,
guys send me that message. Everybody are going there bus today. Me
yeah,
not
put
run
them
no
under there. Put them under there.
nobody.
You go put the one of people that book
Don't
the
try me,
ticket
me go post
and
it, but
buy
me
them
go
and
send
things.
you.
Put them under there, darling.
People never said nothing.
Oh my God, it's hot. It's
Never said
hot.
nothing. Never said
Hold on.
nothing.
Everybody me a fling under the
Bring
blood
down
clot. Just
everybody
start
because we don't bring
everybody
already.
no
See?
way. Hold on,
DJ
poison from
Sardine.
Peter gave us straight down on our poison. You
Oh,
sit down and watch Jayden set up blood clot me.
Mama,
Put
thank
life
you
and
so
tell
much.
your life on me. And you know say to him say stop.
Thank you
Don't
so
say that.
much,
That's
Mama.
wrong. You shouldn't do that.
So
That is
share.
lie. You
So
know do
share.
not.
Me
You know
never
what
see
you
you.
are compliment.
Lord God. So share. Me never see you and Jakes going to the bathroom. You go tell me that? Share. Me see you on blood clot Jake going to the bathroom. Only if you top line up. Only if you top blood clot line, man. I want to know. Me see, hey, DJ Sardine, me see. I Batman stone 1 year about that. Uno say me a Batman. The last time uno bring me down, uno show me say me a Gallis. More year say me a Bat. And that more year about. Uno not clap at
Thank you,
bro.
Mama.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Silva.
He hot.
Tell me my June the 26th.
Hold on, now,
Thank
pull
you,
up this.
thank you for the guy. Thank you for the wheel. Thank you.
Say the boy of one help and pull up the money. Hold on. Eardrop. Come on.
Take my medicine with the pill them with them.
Chat, go beg in so. Go beg so.
Yeah, man. Come.
Hey, thank you, come. Thank you, Peter. Aye. Chat, come, chat, come.
Jayden, shave a piece of bed.
Eh?
Shave a piece of bed.
No, man, it's the smell me that can't talk, man.
Read.
Yeah, come in on my inbox. I send you the info.
Just help me
Come, chat, come.
That use the first super. Then we see what one. We see what one.
Chat, listen me, chat. Listen me,
I'm
chat.
trying. I'm going to say we can't get something.
Chat, listen me, chat. Make sure over there, cuss. And we there so I get gift. Come. Come, chat, come. Cabbage, thank you. Come, chat, come. Come, chat, come. Shani, thank you. Come. Come. Yes, come. Yes, come. Thank you, Shay. Shay, thank you. Come. DJ Sardine, thank you. Come, chat, come. You know, long me the one make a look bills. Thank you, Shay.
Hey!
You know, long me over here suffer. Come.
You know, you keep that clothes.
Cause if you feel like something, I'm gonna go over here. If you feel like something, go just cuss or so. Me want something over here, so. You know, come.
Rosalie, I'm here. Rosalie, alright. Watch her style, Rosalie. Watch her style. Chat to no come.
I'm going to pass
Everybody
out
no come.
Jayden score at all times.
Everybody work together because say we can't clip something.
That will never happen, Rosalie.
We might
That
not
will
be
never
so
happen.
powerful,
I'ma beat
you
him
know,
up
but
yesterday.
one poke a full basket
Rosalie,
shot.
I don't see any proof. Car, just say me a Batman too. Hold on, let me listen.
Getting a so slime gate. And that's what I start to say. Come here, Jayden never remember saying, tell me, say, a slime first. And he never do nothing. I mean, I say, bumbo clot. You know when something lick you start to realize, come remember we're not idiot. I mean, I say, bumbo clot. So all this time, when Jayden come, I feel guilty. I feel guilty, but I don't feel that guilty. Come here, I say, look how I come defend the youth and I say, a slime, a lie slime, I tell. Even when pops come, and I say, I saw it, boy, me, I say, no, so you got pops, you love cloud, ray. Even when the youth them come, I see everything when the youth them come and say, I true, bro. But me, I mean, you know when you have a friend, you listen to what them tell you, now listen to them.
You know what Shay do? I'm gonna tell you what Shay do. You see? Because Shay knows me. Are you up, Shay? First thing first. Are you mash up me and slime, you know? Shay, are you mash up me and slime, you know? When slime could pay rent, you know. I'm is a fuck up you for that for sure. Because me and slime I come from far. Any reaction me get after this, bro. Anything, bro. You see, any destruction come my way, bro. Me deserve it, bro. Because me plan to take slime in my house. Bro, me I figure it out the... Hold on. Figure, you hear me?
Yeah.
You see when, remember the day me, you and Akeem did there over the house, bro? Me did there on a phone yard. You see it? And me did call you and say, yo, bro, me I beg you, please talk to slime, bro. You see it?
Yeah, remember.
Bro, talk everything what go on that day, bro. Talk everything what go on that day.
Me did go on a slime, me had run there on a slime and chat to him for about 4 hours.
Bro, talk everything, my brother. Talk everything, bro. We want you to talk everything, figure.
Bro, you did when I called myself a grown on slime, we did left and grown on slime same time. Me I did in the house with slime. After we done chat to slime about better in life, we carry slime around at my house and I keep him a chat to. I tell him say him have to take the thing serious and better himself, bro.
Cause men buy now, bro. Mama, me tell you how me that preach. Me that preach say, yo, watch you know, we stronger together. Because you and Akeem.
You tell me say you're sorry, so I never saw slime, it's still like come here, Akeem run.
Yeah, bro.
I think would have better so.
Because me I say, yo, watch you know, we stronger together, bro. You see? So me did want.
Yeah, I always say that, man.
Me did want say, yo, watch you know, slime. Come out of the house there and come in my house. You see?
But you never want to say that. You tell slime to come out of the house and come in a field. A slime never want to go.
A slime never want to come to, bro.
Remember you tell him say before out in the night and him say him nah go. And we end up cut left him around the yard.
My youth, Jano dog, Jano my youth. Yet might you know much, bro, you know much hours with the bro. You know much hours with the, bro, Jano dog.
Hours we did that. We did that drink and a smoke till we all get annoyed and end up cut left him man, brother. More than hours with around that try and tell slime to better himself. A slime never want to have nothing to do with the thing, bro. You can't force him. I tell him say you can't carry a man God well, bro, if you don't want to drink the water. So me get to know slime alone, you know. But me I talk to him for better and own myself. Jayden I beg you man for do better, bro. And the man don't want to do nothing, dog.
That a before. That a before me and slime. That a before me and slime have nothing, bro.
Yeah, I never you 80 man, bro. You did 3 months till the very end, bro. The dog was never have nothing to do with you, bro. Jayden, that try help him, man. I slime never want to help.
Hold on the figure, Respect, bro. Chat, you see, same thing them when me tell figure. What's that? Yeah, look how which car that. Yeah. Why I good things? I'm paranoid that shit. Because you that catch me. I good things. I'm paranoid, darling. Because you that catch me, darling. You that catch me. A good thing, my paranoid, darling. You that catch me.
Oh, you sleep. Oh, you sleep at night time. You have husband and you have kids. Oh, you sleep. Your conscience now bother you. No, now go bother you because all are now wicked. Of course, them afraid them. They afraid to tell him the truth. I hold him on time and they on the blood clot phone. And me and Queenie hold him account. Them afraid, them talk, them not. Everybody mute. And someone else say, hold on.
Why would they afraid of me though? Me not give them nothing. Why would Peter get special Terry? Why would they be afraid of me though? I'm not afraid of me. I respect them, respect me just like how I respect them. Why would they afraid of me though? What?
and your loyalty. You forgot Peter Gay? The last time you tell him the truth, him question your loyalty.
Oh, I see what you're doing here right now. Peter, Shay, DJ Sardine, you really try bring Peter Gay to your side? Out of everybody, I really Peter Gay you try put to your side. Luna, you're not funny, You know, see that girl really dunce. Me I go stop follow you, mama. Me I go just allow you to talk. You see, me I just end the live, bro. I go just end the live, bro, because this are really, bro, this a waste of time, bro. Honestly, bro. This are, bro, if only you fuck, Luna. If only you fuck. Because this a really waste of time, bro. You don't get Akim them and figure it out and Jamas them figure up on your side. So no, you really try to put Peter Gay PS. Really? A joke this, bro. This a joke. Cause no, me no hear Batman's too, right? Me I wait for no long. I waste me most of the time, mama. Me don't win again, me win. You run out first time, I win. You run out second time, I win again. I waste my time, blood clot. DJ Sardine, I joke this. Chat, listen to me. My party is September 12th. You see me I say? My party is September the 12th, bro. You see it? My party is September the 12th. If you don't want to book the ticket them in my bio. You see it? So just book the ticket them, bro. Cause party I go mad. And so, share, listen to me. DJ Sardine, I want you at my party. Because I want some good, nice old songs to play. And if you don't want to come, I can book you. I will book you. And I can reach out to Romies and say, Romies, reach out to Shay and Queenie. But it's sad to say, only Shay alone can come. Queenie cannot come. It's just sad. Because I would want Shay to be DJing on the mic, and I would need a backup singer. Me hear one moderator say, are you buy all of the liquor them after the wedding too? Oh, so you are your moderator them. I sit down and I chat me. Shay, can you look in my face and tell me that you buy the liquors them? Shay, who buy the liquor them?